Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I am going to set up payments, tax, and shipping in Shopify using only one Sidekick conversation. So these settings usually confuse a lot of beginners. So let's see if Sidekick can make the process easier. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Just click on Sidekick. Here we can enter help me set up payment, taxes, and shipping for my store. Click enter. Now it is processing. So here it gives step-by-step process like set up payment provider, configure taxes, set up shipping rates. We can check one by one. Automatically chorus should handle most of this. So here initially we can set up payment provider, so that go to the settings. Then here we can see click on payments. So here we can see we have to activate Shopify payments, but here I think it's need permission to activate, so that we can set manual payment. So it is already done. We can edit this. If we need to deactivate, we can deactivate to add another payment method like PayPal, Google Pay, etc. So that's it. Now we can go to the tax section. Now it is processing. Okay, now to give the steps. Let us check. For that, enable automatic tax calculation, confirm your store address, tax zone shipping, etc. So that we have to go to the settings. Then here taxes and duties. So here we can see it is already activated. So we can check any taxes. Here in Australia it is free service. So we can check another. Here it has tax like transaction fee. So that's it. Now we can check the shipping process. Now Sidekick will give the best steps. So for setup shipping rates, here we can see go to the settings, then shipping and delivery. Click on shipping and delivery. Set your shipping origin. This is the address. Create a shipping zone, domestic or international. We can create local delivery or pick up in store, etc. So click on general profile. Here we can add shipping zone like domestic or international. For domestic, express delivery, we can see here it has price like 15 rupees. So for standard shipping, it has price 8 rupees. We can also set up the free shipping like the order above 500. We can set up free shipping like that. We can add shipping option here. Here we can see the free international shipping. That is the about 20 kg. It will be free shipping. Not above, minimum only 20 kg. Up to 20 kg it will be free shipping. So That's it. You can add here or edit any options. So honestly, this will much easier because Sidekick explain where to go and what to do step by step. So by here I only ask one question, but it give all the setup. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.